be honest, I don't think I have anything special besides golf clubs, golf balls, and tees, because I try to keep my bag really light. Otherwise, my caddy could get mad at me for the bag being too heavy. But I do carry some training aids, especially there's one thing that I've been using for the past maybe 10 years. It's called a boomerang. It's just something that you can tuck underneath your armpit to keep your arms connected to the body. I think that gives me a lot of stability to my swing and make my shots very consistent. That's why I've been using the same thing every practice session for the last maybe 10 years. So yeah, but it's very light, so I don't think my caddy would really care. I always warm up starting in my hotel room first. I would probably stretch and foam roll for 10 minutes, and then I'll do some core activations exercises because I feel like core muscles, it's very important during the golf swing. So I always make sure I have them activated before the round. So, and then I go to the golf course probably an hour and 45 minutes before my tee time. So I always go to the putting green first, just to putt for maybe 20-30 minutes, just to get a feel of the speed of the green and to make sure that my stroke is good to go before each round. Then I go on the driving range to hit balls for maybe 30 minutes, making sure that my swing positions are okay. And then I'll go to the short game area for another 10-15 minutes, and then I'll go to the first tee. Yeah. There are actually a lot of the memorable moments, but I think so far maybe I would say there's one tournament in my rookie year in 2018. We were playing a tournament in Dallas, Texas. I remember the player dining being really good that week because Texas is very famous for its barbecue, and then they just have all kinds of barbecues at the player dining every day. And then that week the weather was really bad, so the tournament got cut off short to 2 rounds. And then, so before it started, I just told myself that, you gotta take the chances because there's only 2 rounds. And I just feel like for me, it may be better, it's maybe easier to have a good finish when it's 2 rounds instead of 4. And then ended up placing 3rd place that week. Very good results for a rookie. Some of my greatest moments in my rookie year, because it was just such a confident booster for me, and ever since then I just knew I could really play well on the big tour, and just gave me a lot of confidence, and things got a lot easier since then.